This wellness shot is packed with ingredients that are known to neutralize free radicals, reduce high blood pressure, and improve our energy levels, all naturally. And I am so thrilled to be able to include this as part of my daily fit regimen. Thank you guys so much for being here. So the ingredients that we're going to need to put together what I am calling the Berry Beet Energy Boost are lemon, orange, water, strawberries, and the beets. So you guys come in close and let's put together this Berry Beet Energy Boost Wellness Shot. Okay, we are going to start with our orange. Next, our lemon. We're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to peel it and then put the flesh of the lemon in our container. And now for this delicious bowl of strawberries. And into my blending container, these go. And I'm going to finish up the rest of these, put these in, and then we are going to move on to the beets. Okay, everyone, now it's time for the beet. Go ahead and get this outer skin off of it, and then we're going to slice it and add this to our mix. All right, guys, let's go ahead and cut this up. And add it to the mix. Okay, everyone, let's add the water. And let's blend. And now I'm going to strain it using these organic nut milk bags that I got from Amazon. Okay, everyone, I think I have squeezed about every drop of this deliciousness out of this bag. Okay, all right. And now it is time to go ahead and put this in our containers. And by the way, these stained hands, use some lemon juice. Okay, be right back, you guys. Okay, everyone, look at this shot of nutritious deliciousness. And I have to confess, true confession time. Until this came along, you will not get me to eat a beet fresh, pickled. I don't care how you slice and dice it. Not a fan. but this is a game changer. So here's to our health. You guys. You get the flavor, just a hint of the beet, but then you've got the citrus that is just combining beautifully with the flavor of this beet. And I tell you, I am so looking forward to having this probably like midday when I need an energy boost. This is going to do it for me. So thank you guys so very much for being here. And now that you're here, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing the subscribe button below, and also remember to give this video a like and a share. So you guys, please do give this recipe a try. When you do, leave it in the comments and let everyone know just how delicious this is and how it makes you feel. So you guys, until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. Enjoy.